bago ka umalis. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at muli mong hagan bago ka lumisan. Maaari bang sabihin muli na ako lang ang iyong mahal at wala nang ibang hahadlang sa ating pagmamahalan? Maghihintay ako sa iyong pagbabalik. Nandito lang ako, ano man ang mangyari. Paunin mo sa iyong pag-alis mga ligaya ng nakaraan. Maghihintay ako. Bakit pa ba kinakailangan na ikaw ay lumisan upang abutin pangarap natin? Ako'y umaasa at nananasan na tayo'y muling magsasama. Maghihintay ako sa iyong pagbabalik. Nandito lang ako, ano man ang mangyari. Paunin mo sa iyong pag-alis. Tibay ng damdamin at pagmamahal. Mawawala ka man dito sa aking tabi. Di ko magpapalit ang ating pag-ibig. Mananatiling tapat sa pangako, handang maghintay sa gitna ng lumbay. Maghihintay ako. Maghihintay ako. Maghihintay ako. Yakapin mo ako ng mahigpit bago ka umalis. You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. And suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little His wound will bleed again. Now I'm here, right beside the one I love. I see he's in love with someone else. Now I know I just gotta let him go, because it's over. Help me get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me. Help me get over you. Now I see you're so happy with her. Deep inside, I just don't know what to feel. Oh, I'm sure you don't need me anymore, so I'll go on, try my best to just move on. Now that it's over, I gotta get over. What to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me. Help me. Help me get over you. I know I've got to leave it all behind. Somehow I'll try to get you off my mind. So tell me what to do. Help me get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me. Help me. Help me get over you. Help me get over you. You looked inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I've kept the memories one by one since you took me in, and I know I'll never love this way again. I reaching back for yesterday. I won't turn my head in sorrow if you should go away. I'll stand here and remember just how good it's been, and I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'll never love this way again. Ngayon at kailanman, sumpa ko'y ibigin ka. Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama ka, sinta. Naroon ako tuwing na maasahan mo, tuwing na ngayon at kailanman. Dahil kaya sa'yo nang maitadhana ako'y isilang sa mundo, upang sa araw-araw ay siyang makapiling mo, upang ngayon at kailanman ikaw ay mapaglingkuran. Bakit labis kitang mahal, pangalawa sa may kapal, higit sa aking buhay. Sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y ang mundo'y nagunaw na. Hanggang doon magwawakas pag-ibig kong sadyang wagas. Ngayon na kailanman, sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo liyan. Lalong tumatamis, tumitingkat. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon. Nadaig ng bawat bukas. Sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo liyan. Lalong tumatamis, tumitingkat. Bawat kahapon ay daig nitong bawat ngayon. Nadaig ng bawat bukas. Labis kitang mahal, pangalawa sa may kapal. Ngayon at kailanman. Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nagdaan. Ikaw ang pangarap, nais kong makamtan. Sa buhay ko ay ikaw ang kahulugan. Pag-ibig ko'y walang kamatayan. Ako'y umaasang muli kang mahagan.